Dr. Jody 𝐊𝐢𝐳 Chiropractic. Today I'm going to show you what it looks like to adjust babies. So we adjust babies in our office for so many sorts of reasons, but the main one is to boost their immune system and make sure that their development and health as they age and get older is as best it possibly can be. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So go ahead and start on your back. Connor's going to start on his belly. Okay, look at this cutie. Hello, little cutie. So some of the ways I assess is just by looking at the leg length and feeling around to see if there's abnormal muscle tone or abnormal alignment happening. Are you laughing? I know, because it's so fun to get adjusted. And then we use a very special handheld adjusting tool called an activator for babies. We sometimes call it the tickler because that's exactly what it does to babies. Are you laughing? Are you laughing? Oh yeah. And sometimes just with palpation you can feel where there's tiny little misalignments of the spine because baby's spine get little misalignments too. And then we reassess. Oh, good. Okay, over on your back, handsome boy. And then babies don't even have spines yet. They're all cartilage. So you don't need to be any crazy cracking or popping or anything. Babies get adjusted real easy just with little tiny finger pressures, right? You want to look over there? Yeah. Oh, what a good boy. You love your adjustments, right? Okay. And that's it. It's as easy as that. And that's going to help little Connor grow and stay nice and healthy and keep his immune system and his nervous system as strong as we possibly can. Again, I'm Dr. Jody 𝐊𝐢𝐳. If you want to get your kids checked to see if their spines are nice and healthy and well, please call us. We'll see you soon.